Imagine walking into your favorite coffee shop in 2026, only to find a sleek robot brewing your latte, taking your order, and even chatting about the weather. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a cool idea from movies, it's changing our world faster than ever. By next year, just 1 year away, millions of jobs might vanish, replaced by smart machines that work around the clock without a single complaint. Which jobs are at risk? Could yours be one of them? In this video, we're exploring the AI revolution, revealing the jobs it's targeting, the exciting new careers it's creating, and how you can stay one step ahead. Let's start with the jobs AI is coming for. First, think about data entry. Those tasks where people type numbers or organize files all day. AI can now do this in seconds, scanning thousands of pages with perfect accuracy. No coffee breaks needed. Experts say 80% of data entry jobs could be gone by 2026, as machines take over repetitive office work. It's not just about speed. AI is learning to spot patterns and make decisions, pushing into places we never expected. Customer service is next on the list. You know those long phone calls to fix a billing issue? AI chatbots are replacing them. These smart systems answer questions, solve problems, and even sound human all day, every day. Companies love them because they save money, up to 30% in some cases. Here's a little joke. If AI takes over customer service, at least it won't put you on hold while it checks with the manager for the 10th time. Now, let's talk about driving jobs. Truck drivers, delivery workers, and even taxi drivers are at risk. Self-driving trucks are already hitting the roads, guided by AI that never gets tired or lost. Drones are dropping off packages in cities and remote villages alike. By 2026, over 1 million driving jobs could disappear, as AI makes transportation faster and cheaper. It's not just on the ground. Even some pilot tasks are being automated, changing how we travel. Surprisingly, even safe jobs like accounting and law aren't immune. AI can check financial records or tax forms in a flash, catching mistakes humans miss. In law, it's writing contracts and researching cases faster than new lawyers. We talked about this in our video, AI lawyers are beating humans in court. Here's what that means, where AI is already winning legal battles. By next year, these tools could handle big chunks of professional work. Even creative jobs like graphic design or writing are feeling the pressure. AI can whip up logos, ads, or blog posts in minutes, and they're getting scarily good. While humans still have a creative edge, businesses are using AI for quick, cheap designs. A 2025 study predicts 20% of entry-level creative jobs could be automated by 2026, pushing artists to get even more creative. But it's not all bad news. AI is wiping out some jobs, but it's creating others. New roles like AI trainers, data analysts, and robot supervisors are popping up, and they pay well. Even in fields like healthcare, AI is teaming up with doctors to spot diseases early, as we showed in AI just found cancer doctors missed, using a phone camera. These jobs need people who can work with AI, combining tech skills with human strengths like creativity and empathy. So, how do you protect your career? First, keep learning. Simple online courses in coding, AI basics, or data skills can make you stand out, even if you're not a tech expert. Second, focus on what humans do best, solving big problems, leading teams, or connecting with people. AI can't match our ability to inspire or understand emotions, at least not yet. Finally, get curious about AI tools like Grok 4, which we covered in Grok 4 by Elon Musk Outsmarts Human Experts. Here's what it can do. Knowing how to use AI can turn it into your ally, not your enemy. The AI revolution is like a tidal wave, changing work forever. By 2026, machines will handle boring tasks, freeing humans to dream bigger, create more, and solve problems we haven't even imagined. Your job might change, but with the right skills, you can ride this wave to new opportunities. If this fascinated you, check out our video Grok 4 by Elon Musk Outsmarts Human Experts. Here's what it can do for more. And don't miss AI just found cancer doctors missed, using a phone camera to see how AI is transforming healthcare.